to the How to Shop Like a Stylist series. Today we'll be discussing step 3 of the process. If you haven't watched step 1 or step 2 of the process, then you're going to want to go back and watch those, then come right back here to watch step 3, which is cleaning your closet. You're probably wondering, what does cleaning your closet have to do with shopping? When you clean your closet before you shop, it allows you to determine the things that are missing and the holes in your closet so that you know what needs to be replaced, and it also just gives you an overview of your wardrobe before you shop. If you didn't know you needed to clean your closet, well, now you do. So let's get into step 3, how to clean your closet in order to prepare for shopping. Hello beautiful boss, I'm Tony, the personal stylist and founder of allthingstony.com, where I help women like you to enhance and discover your personal style. For many of my clients, as well as many of you watching, shopping can be very overwhelming. Many times you buy random items without taking into account your personal style or the wardrobe you have in your closet. Or sometimes you'll buy items and then you end up not being able to put them into an outfit because you're missing the essential pieces you need. Sometimes you buy new pieces trying to match them with the older, outdated clothing in your wardrobe when they need to be updated so they don't take away from that new elevated look you're going for. Those are all things that make shopping more difficult, especially when you don't know what you have in your closet. Cleaning your closet is like taking inventory. You're gonna check in to see what you have before you go out to get new things. Keep watching till the end so that you can download your free guide on how to shop like a stylist, where I explain each step of the process more in detail. If you're cleaning your closet while watching this video, then you're gonna want to hop into some comfy clothes because you might have to try some things on along the way. The first thing you're going to want to do when it comes to cleaning your closet is prep. You don't want to go straight into the closet cleanse. You want to make a plan for how you're going to get rid of the things that you don't want anymore. So you can do this by creating different piles that will signify where the clothing will go. I recommend creating at least one pile for your out of season clothing that you're going to store away, especially if you have a smaller closet. Storing away your out of season clothing is going to help you overall, especially when it comes to putting outfits together, because when you're in your closet and you're trying to put together an outfit, you don't want to just have too many options. You want to be able to focus on that season and the clothing that you wear within that season. Some of the other piles that you might want to set up are donation, consignment, resale, and recycle. The donation pile would be things that you just want to give away and don't plan on making any money from. Consignment is more so for the higher end items that you have and would like to sell. Resale is for any store that resells and collects clothing and gives you money in return. And then the recycle pile is for items that aren't really wearable anymore, and so you don't want to donate them, you can recycle them. Next, you're going to work section by section throughout your closet, removing each section at a time. So if you're in the middle of going through your jackets, you don't want to stop and then switch over to sneakers all of a sudden. You want to get through all of your jackets and then go to the next, whatever section is next in your closet, and get through that section. Within each section, I want you to review every single item. You can try things on if you aren't sure about them, but you should definitely get rid of anything that's outdated, in bad shape, anything that you don't 100% love or is not comfortable or doesn't fit. And if it doesn't make you feel confident, then get rid of it. Here's where you can use your to list from step 1. So all of those things that you wrote on the list of things that you love, you're obviously going to want to keep those things unless they need to be replaced. And then everything you put on your list of things that you didn't love about your wardrobe, you're definitely going to want to get rid of those things. I also want you to use your inspiration you put together from step 2 of the process so that you can see the potential for each of the items in your wardrobe. As you're going through your closet cleanse, note down any wardrobe essentials that need to be replaced or those that are missing from your closet. Wardrobe essentials are pieces that you need to build an outfit. For example, one of my wardrobe or two of my wardrobe essentials are white t-shirts and jeans, and so I use those to build many of my outfits. Like today, I'm wearing a pair of jeans, so if these jeans were ripped or if they were just out of shape, I would definitely need to replace them because they're that important to my closet. One thing that I do want you to remember is to organize as you go. So as you pull things out of your closet and go through each section, determine what you're going to give away, what you're going to keep, what you're going to store for the next season. As you're putting them back in your closet, make sure to organize organize them into, you know, whatever sections that work for you. I like to organize my clothing into functional categories. So the tops are all together, the bottoms are together, the dresses are together, and then within those categories, I will organize them by color. You don't have to be that detailed, but I definitely think some sort of organization will help you. After your closet cleanse, you have to get rid of the clothing ASAP, because if you don't, then you might end up holding on to things that you plan to give away and convince yourself into sneaking them back into your closet. Trust me, I've done that before. So anytime I do a closet cleanse, I always take those items within the next week at least and try to go ahead and send them to wherever I planned on giving them to. Once you've completed the entire thing and you've gone through all of those steps, all of the items in your closet should be things that you 100% love. If you don't 100% love, you need to reconsider it and you maybe need to give it away. If you noticed some of the items in your closet that needed to be replaced, then hold on to that list of items because you'll need them for the next video, step 4, where I'll be teaching you how to create a shopping list. Comment below if you want to see a video of me doing a closet cleanse. Also, don't forget to click the link below to get your free guide on how to shop like a stylist. Subscribe to the blog for more freebies and updates on new posts. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a lovely day today.